have gone, and this is Shailaja who's writing a question. She's asking whether to invest in one of the ETFs on either gold or silver. I want to check whether Ajit has a view on either of these two commodities. Ajit, I'm pretty sure that you've been watching, even if you don't have a view on the charts. Would you suggest a fresh entry at this point if you have a view?
Yeah, good morning, Alex. So yes, Alex, it's quite normal for the investors because from one year point of view, at least on the equity side, there's hardly any returns. So obviously, the shining side of the financial markets, the bullions are basically hogging all the limelights. Buying at current levels, at one go or making a big investment is not at all advisable at current levels, because if you see, gold is trading at the record highs, and there's hardly any pause or any consolidation in between, and still there's no sign of exhaustion yet. But yes, it looks slightly stressed to me. It means there should be some bit of a consolidation or some retracement. Silver, on the other hand, is again, it's also quoting at record highs levels. So in case if somebody is looking for any investment staggered manner, means through SIP route is something that one can look to invest in the ETFs, but not at one go or make any substantial investment at current levels.
Invest in a staggered manner if you're considering gold and silver piece. But Ajit, I'll also like to throw copper into this, because we were talking to Nilesh earlier and he said that they were long on copper. Would you also recommend that?
In fact, the base metals are also seeing very strong surge. So copper, from 900 to 1,000 levels in less than a month time. So here also, Mahima, we are seeing slightly overbought reading, but yes, the tone looks positive. So one can continue with the long positions with 950 as a stop loss if they are holding in the MCX.
Okay, all right. So we've gotten you a comprehensive view on the metal space as well. From a personal finance standpoint, and just throwing it in there, we often speak about this on the later personal finance shows, and the advice is to restrict your holdings in commodities, and specifically gold and silver, to 10 to 15% of your overall portfolio, depending on your risk appetite. And don't go overweight on either one of them to the extent of 20-30% just because the prices have been up in the recent past. We've got a next question.